Today we'll dive into the world of code snippets in VS Code. Danny, WD, why did you bring your dog to the class? Oh, I see. In that case, you can have it in my class. All right, like I said, today we are discussing snippets in VS Code Editor. Imagine you're a little wizard in a magical world of coding, and you have a special book of spells. Now, this book has some shortcuts. Think of them as secret codes that make your coding adventures way easier. You don't have to write the same long lines of code again and again and again. It's like saying abracadabra, and poof, the code appears. Now let's say you're in your secret coding hideout, which is called VS Code. It's like your magical workshop. In this special place, there's a button that lets you use these shortcuts easily. Just click it and whoosh, the code appears on your screen. Why is this so cool? Well, it's like having a superpower that help you finish your coding quest faster and with fewer mistakes. Imagine if you had a magic broom that not only cleaned your room, but also made it super shiny in no time. That's what code snippets do for your code. And the best part, you'll have more time for your favorite snacks like honey, bananas, and homemade pizza. So with code snippets, you'll be the coding wizard of your dreams. You can always download snippets from Marketplace. However, I strongly suggest you try to build your own, and that is exactly what we are going to do today in this class. All right, let's open our editor. Now, our goal is to build a simple landing web page for our website. Danny, any thoughts on how we could make it faster? Think about the elements that we need to make it work. Exactly, we need a navigation bar, a body, and a footer. You might want to add more, but for now, let us stick to the basics. Barbie, I think one thing is right? Documentation. Let's open the following link and try again by following the instructions. Go to the code menu at the top of your VS Code window. Click on it like you're opening a treasure chest. In the code menu, you'll find something called preferences. Click on it. It's like choosing your favorite color of crayon. Now, in the preferences menu, look for configure user snippets. Click on it. Just like you're picking your favorite ice cream flavor. Select the language. Imagine you're picking a special book of spells for a specific type of magic. In this case, you're choosing the language for which you want to create or edit snippets. HTML, that is absolutely correct, Danny. Click on the language you want. It's like choosing the right magic book for your coding adventures. Simple navigation bar. This is the name I need, like pre-fill. It's like our magic word. When you type nav bar, it will trigger this snippet. Body. Here's the actual HTML code that makes up our navigation bar. Is what appears when you use the nav bar magic word. Description. This is like a short note about what the snippet does. In this case, it says it creates a basic navigation bar. So when you use this nav bar snippet, it's like saying your magic word, and it instantly gives you a simple navigation bar with links to home, about, and contact. Define your snippet. Now you'll define your snippet. Here's how type simple navigation bar, open brackets. This is like giving us a name line. Press enter to start a new line. Type prefix, nav bar, do not forget the comma. Remember, syntax is important. Press enter as our gang. Type body. This is where your spell XML code goes. Press enter once more. Now, when you're coding an HTML, just type nav bar, your magic word. And press tab, the snippet will appear and you'll have your navigation bar, and that's it. We have created our very own code snippet for navigation bar in VS Code. It's like writing a spell in the magic book and using it whenever we need it. Then you all, and remember keywords of today: documentation, syntax, and perseverance. Keep coding, keep building, and keep learning. Have a great day, everyone.